Hi everyone, welcome to the video on how to add folders and move items in your UNM Learn courses. In this video, you will learn how to add a folder to the content area of your course and how to move items into the folder you have created. We're going to start in one of my courses, which is a space I use to try things out. So here we are in a content space in my course. You can see that I've added 3 items, each of which is a reading for students. I'd like to organize them, and one way to do that is to create a folder and put these items in that folder. The first step is to go up to the Build Content menu and select Content Folder. So I need to give my folder a name. We're going to call it Readings. I could also add some text with some information about this folder if I wanted to in this text area. And there are a few more options at the bottom. By default, this folder is going to become available to students when I create it. I could set that to no, so students can't see it now, and I could come back later and set it to yes when I'm ready for them to view it. I could also track the number of views, so the number of times that students come into this folder. And finally, another way to control access to this folder is by setting a display after and a display until date. So I can decide what date and time it's going to open and what date and time it's going to close. So I'm not going to use these settings now, but they're available to you if you have a use for them. So I'm just going to click Submit. And now I have a Readings folder. And so the next step is to take these items and put that in the folder. So I'm going to take the first one. As soon as I point to the title of this item, I get the little gray menu icon. I can open that, and there's all kinds of things that I can do with that item. And one of them, as you'll see, is Move. So I'm going to click Move. Once I do that, all I have to do is tell it the destination folder. I'm going to browse to find the folder. There it is, Readings, and then Submit. So now the first reading item has disappeared. We hope that it has gone into the Readings folder, and we can click that folder to open it and check and see that yes, that first reading item is now in the folder. And I can go back to the course information page and do the same with the second and third readings and get all my readings into the Readings folder. So that's how to create a folder and move items into it. Note that moving items also works with modules. You can move an item into a module the same way that we just moved it into a folder. Thank you for watching this video. You can check out the other videos in the series by going to the Center for Digital Learning channel on YouTube. Thanks.